y'all, I hope that you're having a great day. I certainly am, because I got my Ipsy bags. I have never received a bag with this sticker on it before. This says, keep package away from direct sunlight. So I'm wondering if there's something flammable in here. So if you're new to my channel, I get 2 Ipsy bags. I know I'm a little extra, but the first bag is going to be my bag that I've had for over a year that I do the reviews on. And the second bag is a very vague profile that I do not do any reviews on, just to see if I get different products in my bags. So the first one is my long-term bag. I will have to say, this is not my favorite Ipsy bag. It is fun, it is bright, kind of makes me think of like a 80s workout video. You know, I can definitely remember rocking these colors when I was very little. So the card this month says Game Face, and it says, I will conquer. So what will I conquer this year in 2018? I will conquer my relationship this year. Now, let's get into the bag, because that's what we're all here for. So the first item I have here is a lip crayon, and this is from Raisin and Cream Long Lasting Creamy Lip Stain. Scratch that, it's from Stephanie Botanicals, and it's called Raisin and Cream, and let's go ahead and swatch her. Oh wow, that is a super pretty mauve color. I really like that. It's really creamy. This is definitely going to feel moisturizing on the lips. It is not going to be long wearing. It's not going to stay all day though. And y'all know I love my long wear lipsticks. All right, so then we got something from Dirty Little Secrets. I always love their packaging. And it looks like I have the color Sangria, and I'm assuming it is an eyeshadow. And it certainly is. So this is the eyeshadow here. It looks like it is a metallic burgundy. So there is a swatch of the eyeshadow. It's kind of funny how close these two colors are. They're almost identical. All right, next we have a Gold Lust Dry Shampoo from Orbi. This is probably why it had that sticker on it, keep out of direct sunlight. They probably just didn't want this to get too hot in shipping. But let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. Okay, I don't see any gold anywhere, so I'm not quite sure why it's called a Gold Lust. Yeah, even spraying it on my arm, there's no gold in it. But it smells really nice, and I have tried their dry shampoos before, and they do work pretty well. All right, 2 more products. All right, the next product I believe is from Dermy Lach. This is a microfacial exfoliating mask. So let's see what this looks like. It has a little seal in there. I'm not going to pop the seal. I don't like to pop the seals until I use these products because I get so many that sometimes they do sit longer than, you know, the recommended, like, what, 6 months? Come on now. Sometimes I use this stuff like a year later. Well, that was, oh, wait. Missed one. All right, so lastly in this bag, we got a Mary Lou Manizer, and this is a highlighter, but you can also use it as an eyeshadow. And let's go ahead and swatch her out. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Here, let's swatch it on my cheek. Which cheek? Let's do this one. Oh, wow. That is a good highlighter, y'all. Surprised I've never tried this before. All right, so I really like this. Overall, I think this bag was great. $10, I got a highlighter, a face mask, eyeshadow, lip crayon, and dry shampoo. So this is bag 1. Let's see if bag 2 is any better. So here is bag 2. Obviously, it's the exact same bag as the other one. There's only 1 bag this month, but I have a product that would not fit in the bag. And this is a coffee scrub. I have never tried a coffee scrub. To me, this is a little gimmicky. I feel like it's, can y'all hear that? It sounds like a bag of ground up coffee, and they say just to rub it on your skin to exfoliate it. You know, I'm definitely gonna try it. I'm gonna smell like a warm vanilla latte. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Y'all, this smells so good. It makes me want coffee. I don't typically drink coffee, but This is, let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it's very powdery. I'm going to have it all over the floor. But yeah, this is pretty much just ground up coffee. It does say that it has grapeseed oil in it. It has coconut oil in it. It has, let's see, has olive oil in it, almond oil, macadamia nut oil. So they say it's definitely got some oils in it. So I'm guessing it's supposed to, you know, scrub away the dead skin as well as moisturize the skin. And I'm totally trying this out. Now I'm kind of sad that I called it gimmicky because I'm totally excited about this. All right, now for the items that are actually in my bag. All right, so the first item we have is a Kooky lipstick. And I just love Kooky's packaging, this black and white and the little elephant. I love elephants. All right, so let's see. So here is the lipstick itself. It's a very pretty soft pink color. I have a feeling for me this is going to be very much like my natural lip kind of look, but I like that. We got another Mary Lou Illuminizer. Good thing this thing's amazing because I'm not complaining. So next we have a Revive Me Deep Replenishing Serum. So I am all about serums for the face and moisturizer for the face. I am trying to get my skin in better condition, and I do good about 80% of the time. And when I do not wash my face before I go to bed, I know, cardinal sin, but it happens sometimes. I fall asleep on the sofa and then I'm like too lazy to get up and wash my face because then I'll be wide awake. I mean, I can't be the only one that if I fall asleep on the sofa, I know if I go to the bathroom and wash my face, I'm going to be wide awake and I'm going to be up for the next 4 hours. So anyway, I'm trying to get better and I'm excited to use this. So lastly, we have an eyeliner from Kaja. I think that's how you say it. Vasanti, and it is a waterline liner. And it's in black, you know, they usually are. It is very pigmented. It's not a precision liner though. It is like one of those gel ones. So, you know, I'll give it a shot. Alright, so bag 2 had the coffee scrub, the lipstick, the eyeliner, the illuminator, and the moisturizing serum. Which bag do you guys think was better? I'm actually really torn because I think both of these were really good this month. I think I'm going to have to say bag 2, which this is the bag that's not really supposed to know me. And this coffee scrub smells amazing, and I'm super excited about this gimmicky coffee scrub. So for that reason, I am picking bag number 2. But I'd love to hear what you guys think, which bag you thought was better. If you guys got something different in your bag, share it in the comments below. I always like to see what other people got versus what I got. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. It would mean so very much to me. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Until next time, bye y'all!